In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Powered by Shopify. Right now, as you can see, we're in the Shopify editing section. If you scroll down to the footer, you'll notice the Powered by Shopify text displayed there. If you want to remove this branding, you absolutely can. To start, head over to your Shopify dashboard. From here, click on Online Store in the left-hand menu. You'll be taken to the Theme section. Scroll down until you see your current theme listed, and next to it you'll find 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu and then select Edit Default Theme Content. Once you click that, a search bar will appear. Type in Powered by Shopify into the search box. You'll see this phrase show up under the link section. Click into the text box and type a single space to replace the content. Once you've done that, scroll to the top right corner and click Save. You should see a confirmation message that says Theme Content Updated. Now return to your editing section and refresh the page. As you scroll down to the footer again, you'll notice that Powered by Shopify is no longer visible, and that's how you remove Powered by Shopify.